Hi, I'm Brandon, owner and designer at Tradies.ca, a website and marketing service for contractors. As things open up and you're getting ready to get back into your trade, right now is the time to set up a long-term plan and keep new business coming in. We want to help you hit the ground running with effective marketing and a website that works. We'll focus on the three critical areas that convert visitors into customers. Number one, a website that works to drive sales. Number two, SEO to make sure people can find you. And three, email marketing to continuously get your message out and bring business in. Feel confident that you've got a solid plan for growth and a skilled partner to help get you there. Stop worrying about your marketing and get back to work. Visit Tradies.ca to get started.